The next chapter in the mid-engine Corvette journey begins with the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06, a new American supercar that puts the world on notice. Arriving 2 years after the first production mid-engine Corvette Stingray debuted and captivated a worldwide audience, the Z06 is designed and engineered to act as a precision tool for the track. The Z06's striking appearance, sound and tactile feel are the result of intense focus. With new, wider sculpted front and rear fascia designs that define a confident stance and exotic proportions, and a luxuriously appointed interior, the Z06 is the ultimate supercar experience. The 2023 Corvette Z06 debuts an all-new 5.5 L LT6 V-8 engine that marks a return to natural aspiration for the track-capable performance model. Engine responsiveness and trackability, two characteristics of naturally aspirated motors, were the top priorities for providing an engaging driving experience for purists. As a result, it was determined that a clean-sheet, naturally aspirated power plant was needed, with the goal of exceeding the power of any naturally aspirated production V8 engine ever made. A lightweight, flat-plane crank design enables the engine to rev to the high RPMs needed to create significant power. More than horsepower, the new LT6 is designed to complement all aspects of the Z06's track-focused performance experience. From its 8,600 RPM redline and full racing-style dry-sump oiling system to meticulously tuned induction and exhaust systems, this engine exudes an entirely new and emotional character.